Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is ChrisHanXoxo. So summer is in full swing. July is one of my favorite months throughout the year. Summer is not like fully cancelled. I still enjoy my time at home. I focus on my skincare, self-care, natural makeup, and some hair products. So for this month, I just can't wait to show you what I got and what I enjoyed. And let's move on to the products. Okay, this is the first product. It's from Urban Decay. It's called the Lash Freak. I got this one a couple weeks ago and I tried. I really like it. I feel like personally I'm not a big fan of mascara. I never liked my mascara look because you know my natural lashes are very short and tiny. It takes forever for me to finish like a full lash look using mascara only. So I always do like fake lashes or extensions just to make things easy, but this one really changed the game. The pigmentation is very good. It really makes my lash look fuller, longer, and lifted. The thing is, like, I don't have to coat it too much. If you have naturally like a long full lash, I think one coat will be great for you because it's so much easier to apply with this one, and it's like two-sided head. It covers like the top and bottom like for different areas, and it's very nice. And for me, I use 3 coats, then I can achieve like a pretty full beautiful lash look. This is really to volumize your lash and extend the length of your lash pretty easily. I'm not sure like what kind of formula they use, and it's perfect for summer because it's smudge proof and it's also very easy to remove. You don't have to worry about like just make your own lash very dry or easy to fall out. So I would say I would definitely buy back this lash because it makes things so easy. And if for natural look, I just use 1 coat. For a full makeup look, I use 3 coats just to make the lashes look glamorous and full, and you know, they're just like very visible and very nice. So I just can't get enough of this product. I really like this Lash Freak mascara. So the second product is from Becca. Becca sent me this powder to test it out, and I feel like I really like this powder for summer. It's called Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. So this powder, it gives you like a different finish. It's almost like a wet finish. It's so like cooling and refreshing. So the color is like a very creamy beige light color. It doesn't have like high pigmentation, so if you want to hide your imperfections or like any blemishes, this might not be the one for you. But if you're looking for an even skin tone and not too matte or not too like shiny finish, it's like naturally glowy finish, and this powder would be perfect for you. For me, I use it over my foundation. This really sets my foundation and make them really stay for hours. If I'm not using foundation on the day, and I will just use this powder to set my tint moisturizer or concealer. It's pretty nice. This powder has this cooling effect, just make my skin in hot weather like a lot more comfortable. And I also like this package. It looks pretty high-end, pretty nice. I mean, we're all very biased. When the product package is beautiful, I just tend to like it a lot more. I just feel good on my face. It just feels nice on my shelf. You know, it's just like a very gorgeous product. So I've been using this product from Coola. It's called Refreshing Water Mist Sunscreen. It's SPF 18. I mean, I've been recommending a lot of like SPF products because in LA we wear sunscreen almost like almost every day throughout the year. Even though it's not like a very sunny day, in a cloudy day or like you're staying inside, you still need some protection against your screen, like other pollutions. So I feel like sunscreen is such an essential. Coola is one of my favorite sunscreen brands because most of the products are organic. Coola products are usually priced very reasonably, and this one is especially nice for summer because it's mist. It's so much easier than cream and lotion if you want to reapply some products during the day when you have some makeup on your face or some other products. You just don't want to mess it up with another layer of creamy whiteness, you know, lotion kind of sunscreen. So this mist just makes things so much cleaner and easier. This is alcohol free and it's a well-rounded protection. This one not just protects you from the sun, UVA, UVB, and also IR and pollution. So it's pretty well-rounded. It just protects you from your like desktop, your screen, like a lot of things. It uses organic aloe and coconut water, so it just helps your skin stay hydrated. So whenever your skin needs a touch up of sunscreen or hydration, you can just spray a little bit. It's pretty nice and easy to use. So the next product is a very nice skincare product I recently found and really liked. It's from Phytomer, and this brand is a professional spa brand. They have like a lot of professional quality products, and this one is Bio-Organic CYFOLIA Hydra-Comforting Radiance Cream. So what does it do? It's like a regular moisturizer but much nicer. So this product is to hydrate your skin with organic CYFOLIA algae and orange water. The cream feels like really refreshing on the skin, and it's almost like cooling your skin down from the summer heat. And it has a very unique scent which is all natural. It's like woodsy, like a little bit floral but not like too much. It's even a little bit spicy. So it's just so awakening and so refreshing for summer. I really like this natural scent. I use this product twice a day, just like a regular moisturizer, and I can add my serum and other products as well. But this is a very nice prep to prepare your skin for the day or to prepare your skin for your nighttime routine. It's totally comfortable and very calming. I like this brand. They always have like very professional, very high quality products. But the thing is, like, this bottle, this size, it's $93. It's not an inexpensive cream, but I would, like, for the quality, I would definitely consider buying back. Okay, another very beautiful bottle, very beautiful product. This is from Caudalie. It's their beauty elixir, and this one is their limited edition. It's a natural toning mask that shrinks the pores, set the makeup, and add a shot of radiance to your skin. So this is exactly what I'm looking for. I would say my skin is pretty healthy. I don't have like major skin problems, but I'm looking for something that's like very soothing and help me with my unevenness. Caudalie products are usually all natural, vegan, and non-toxic. It's very safe to use. You don't have to worry about the ingredients. It uses organic rose essential oil. So this ingredient, really, you can just shake it before you use it. Blend the oil with the water and then spray on your face. I use it before makeup, after makeup, and before my skin treatment, so it's pretty versatile. You can use it anytime you need a refreshment. So this is from Tula. It's their original rose go and get it cooling and brightening eye balm. So this is their original balm. Okay, this is a very different product. I don't use eye balm that much. I usually use eye cream and eye serum, but this eye balm really gives my under eye area a pickup. My eye skin feels much more like awakened and glowy and brightened after one layer of application. And I feel like the ingredients are amazingly good. This formula has amazing ingredients, probiotics, caffeine, rosehip oil, and superfoods. So this eye balm adds the right amount of glowy effect and radiance to the under eye area, and I feel like it's so beautiful. You can even use this one as a highlighter if you want. It's very comfortable. I like to use it in the morning because it's very awakening. Maybe the ingredient includes caffeine. I like to use this product in the morning. I will try to avoid this product for the nighttime routine because it's so awakening. I really don't want to look too awake before bed. I haven't done any professional facial or spa in the past few months. It's still not safe to open these businesses in LA area, but fortunately I have another option that I can do it at home. So this device is a facial system from Luer. It's called Luer Mira facial system. So this is basically for home use. It's a professional quality facial device that you can easily DIY your facial at home. It's 4-in-1 treatment system. This is totally non-invasive, so it's very safe and easy to use. Just one button, you can do the full different treatment, including detox, tone, lift, and infuse. And it works with its own gel. It's called the Luer hyaluronic conductive treatment gel. So they work together. You can just easily do everything at home by yourself. I really like this device. It's just so easy to use and I really see the result. I tried it a couple times in July and I feel like my skin is definitely tightened and smoothened and it just feels nice on the skin. It's almost like an electronic toothbrush for face. You apply some gel on the device and you turn it on, use some gel and glide the device against your targeted area and upwards and outwards just to tighten the face and to treat each area. You can just follow the steps 1, 2, 3, 4 by pressing the button. It's super easy. You'll definitely see lifting and tightening and brightening, I would say. So for this device it's $530 and the gel is $32. So this set is definitely not so cheap, but compared with how much we spent on those in-office professional facial services, this system really saves time and money. So professional facial is never so easy. I'm totally obsessed. The last product is from Ouai. A lot of you probably have already tried this product. It's their famous spray called Texturizing hairspray. I mean, so many influencers recommend this product on Instagram and YouTube, and I finally tried and really love it. This spray is so nice. It's just 2-in-1, regular shampoo and texturizer in one bottle, and it's not creating any white residue like other dry shampoo or it feels any stickiness. So it's just very nice. I like the weightless experience. It's really like weightless, lightweight. I don't feel anything after application, but my hair is much volumized. So it's a perfect product. I mean, it's so lightweight, so perfect for summer, and I just use this almost like every day, especially when it's next day hair. It just saves so much trouble. Sometimes I don't use heat styling on the day. I just spray a little bit on the roots and in the middle part of my hair. My hair will look like it's styled already. If I'm using heat styling on the day, this spray helps my hair to hold the curls much better. I have no complaint about this product. I'll definitely try more products from Ouai and see how they go. Okay guys, these are all my beauty essentials for July, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I linked the products down below in the description and you can find more information from there. If you have any questions or comments, please use the comment box down below. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.